Yep. Reporting up. At case 1, going concern is appropriate. At no issue on going concern. Assuming assuming there are no other issues, which opinion you will give? At types of opinion, didn't we learn in the last sessions? Unqualified, qualified, adverse, disclaimer. Which opinion you will give? And no issue, then you will give unqualified opinion. Makla, unqualified opinion, essay. 700. Case 2. And a case 1 is simple. If there is no issue and no other complaints, no adverse comments, unqualified. Case 2. And here going concern was appropriate. Here going concern is inappropriate. Meaning another. What is the meaning? Company is not a going concern. Eda company going concern alla. Company is not a going concern. This they have disclosed in financial. And company prepared financials on realization basis. Pettundo, is there any mistake? Is there any misstatement? They are going concern. They're not going concern. They have disclosed themselves and they have prepared on realization basis. They have disclosed it. Is there any misstatement? No. So which opinion you will give? And if there is no misstatement, unqualified, essay 700. But to emphasize the users, your company has prepared using realization basis, you will add a separate para. That para is called as internal. Come on. To additionally communicate to the users a matter in FS. Emphasis of matter para. Makle, emphasis of matter para. You forgot as per essay 706. Makle 706. 710 is comparative. Why this para came? Will a layman user understand financials prepared on realization? Sadharana oralku manasilavooda going concern aano realization aano? Will a user understand whether it is realization? No. So auditor wants to additionally communicate a matter in FS. Makle, to additionally communicate matter in FS. Which para? Emphasis of matter para. Isn't it emphasis of matter para? So you will give unmodified and to additionally add emphasis of matter para. How dare? You see, company is not a going concern. Are disclosing cheyiditilla? They have not disclosed at all. A misstatement, isn't it a misstatement? Yes. Pervasive, not pervasive. A going concern is inappropriate. They have not disclosed. Is it pervasive or not pervasive? Completely affecting. Misstatement, pervasive. Which opinion you will give? Very good. You will give adverse opinion as per essay 705. Case 1 and case 2. Is that clear for you? Case 1, going concern was okay. Case 2, going concern was not okay, but it was disclosed, not disclosed. Makla, if these two are okay, say case 3. 3 barayo. Come on, guys, 3. Three enda. What is the third scenario? going concern was or is appropriate. There is no issues as such in going concern in the current year. But future there is a MU, material uncertainty on going concern. At a current year going concern aana. In current year it is going concern. But there is a material uncertainty on going concern which may affect future. Maklai, this they should have disclosed in FSLA. Tell me yes, no. Whenever there is a issue which may affect financial, it should be disclosed. They did not disclose. They disclosed. And I come here. They did not disclose. Meaning, misstatement, that mistake, which opinion you will give? It's a misstatement. They should have disclosed. They did not disclose. Which opinion you will give? Clean, modified. Okay. Modified opinion as per essay 705. Which modified opinion? Right, is either qualified or adverse depending upon the circumstance. And if it is a small uncertainty, qualified. If it is a big uncertainty, you will go for adverse. Maklai, haven't I taught you a sentence? Auditor shall analyze its impact on the opinion. Either qualified or adverse. Disclaimer alla. It's not disclaimer, it's not clear. Maklai, if this much is okay, say proceed. And there was some material uncertainty on going concern, which is disclosed in FS. They have disclosed in FS. Tettundo. If they have properly disclosed in FS, is there any material misstatement? No. So which opinion you can give? Properly disclosed anangil, which opinion you can give? Unmodified opinion. But will a layman understand disclosures in FS? Notes to accounts, will a layman understand? No. So auditor will add a separate para. Where? In audit report. That para is called as material uncertainty on going concern. This is which element out of 1 to 13? 1 to 13 elements in which element in audit report? Pillare. Come on, guys. This is the fifth element. When we started off the essay, fifth element in audit report. The same thing, fifth element. See, here it is emphasis of matter para. Because it is inappropriate, you are attracting. Here, it is something disclosed. Because there is an MU. So, you will add a separate para. Okay, Anangil. Case 4. 4. Tell me 4 after this breakup. Quickly say 4. Management is unwilling to assess going concern. Management is unwilling to assess going concern. What auditor will do? A primary responsibility of management. So, auditor will do what? If they are unwilling. Okay, disclaimer of opinion, right? But first, will you give disclaimer? Perform dash procedure. And if they are unwilling, we will try to do our part. So perform additional or alternative. They did not do, at least we have to do. So perform alternative audit procedure. Still unable to perform. They are not ready, we are unable to perform alternative. Unable. Then analyze the impact as per SA 705. So basically, which opinion you will give here? If you are unable to perform alternative, then you will give either qualified or adverse or disclaimer order. Makle, here it is unable. Unable means if you are unable to obtain anything, onnum kittilla, you did not get anything, disclaimer. If you got almost okay, except few things, engil qualified. So it is either qualified or disclaimer. It's not adverse because it would unable. It's not adverse. Pillare, did you understand these 4 Ks well? Muscle vidtham. Like you, I also have muscle. I've told you many times. Understood anengil, I will show. Eda. Okay. Eda, this is an extract of audit reporter. Which case? Case 1 or case 2 or case 3 or case 4 or material uncertainty relating to audit, related to going concern. Separate para they have added. Makle, read. We draw attention to financial statements note, which indicate company had incurred net loss. Current liability exceeded total asset. These events and condition indicate MUSDGC. Our opinion is not modified. Okay, case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. At a separate para they have added. Makkale, separate para they have added called as MU and GC. So it is case 3. 3 A or B or disclosed or not disclosed or no? Very good. Disclosed. It are disclosed in notes up. It a which indicator is it? Financial, operational, or other indicator? Net loss, current liability exceeded current asset, financial. Eda, for the examination, they can ask you to draft ME on GC para. Keto. Pillare. This para, you know, if you want, you can mark and keep. Drafting, they can ask you. Wait. If drafting is asked, how will you start? Makle, I just showed you the draft. If drafting is asked, how will you start? And if drafting is asked, how will you start? You put a heading. Okay. Heading. ME on GC para. Okay. First you will write, we draw attention to so and so matter. Then you will describe the matter. Current liability exceeded current asset, whatever it is. How will you end? Our opinion is not modified. And once you have finished reporting requirements, if you need drafting in the framework, you can write this. Makle, is this framework clear for you? Clear anengil clear. Come on. Put. See. And just one more thing. I will show back the page. You can write and I will give you a break. One more thing. Parate. Do you guys remember key audit matter? The key audit matter. Do you remember? And I said never knew that we guys have forgotten essays of Inter. ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ ഇല്ലയോ? And a CAM, key audit matter, means those matters that are most significant to the auditor. 701. So 570 essay says matters affecting going concern may be determined as key audit matter also. Makkale, key audit matter, essay 701.